Hi, I wanted to show you the latest project I've been working on called TechBase. TechBase is a simple structure with the user table which I authenticate users. Users can either be clients or technicians, and clients can enter tickets for problems, and technicians will be assigned to those problems and enter events showing what they assess the problem to be and their actions. So anyway, let's go take a look. I am using a tab widget to simulate a drill down interface, and let's go take a look at the application. So anyway, here's TechBase, and let's sign in as a user, and we authenticated the user with our login listener, and here's the tickets. Okay, so Ron is going to enter a new ticket for a problem he's having with his MacBook, and he can enter the problem description here. So I guess actually he doesn't have much of a problem. So he saves. We go back to our list view. So there's our drill down interface, and we can see that ticket has been updated on the server. We can look at another ticket, and let's sign out. And now we're going to sign in as one of the technicians, Dave Terry. So Dave can look at this open ticket here, and he can assign it to himself. You can see that the tech is filled in now. He can add events and he can enter his assessment of this problem. I think he's hit it right on the head, and an action to take, or action taken. And it looks like Dave likes Macs too. So Dave signs out. Another technician logs in, Todd Carper. And Todd can see the tickets, and he opens up the ticket that's assigned to Dave, but he can also enter an event, and you can see it's now has a link to him. And Todd is going to enter in his assessment, his action taken, and there you go. So you can save that. Now we have two events tied to this open ticket or this assigned ticket, and there you go. So there's a few nice features in this application you might want to look at. One thing, we can try to sign in as a new user, and they don't have an account, so they can just enter a new account from here. Now I'm not double checking the password, but I'll have to add that later. But for now, there you go, create a new account, and he can start to enter a trouble ticket. And we save. So anyway, there's a few nice techniques in this project that I'm working on that we could go look at. Let's see if that new ticket shows up, and there we go, our new user. And let's go look on Wakanda Studio how we do some of this. Anyway, for the drill down, using a tab widget, and on load of the page I'm just hiding the menu bar part of the tab. But as you can see, all we're doing is, like on double click of the grid, we look at the session, and if they're a tech, we go to tab number 4. If they're a user, a client, we'd go to tab number 3. That way we can get a different detail page depending on the type of user. And then we can drill down even further for our events and drill down to this page. So can get a nice interface using the tab, hiding the menu bar, and programmatically selecting the tabs as the users navigate through. So another thing, to create the new ticket, I used a technique where I would add an element to the data source, then I would save back to the server, have the server initialize the values, and then I would do a server refresh on my ticket data source, and then go to the detail page, and that gave us that nice effect we saw in the application. So we'll log in again as Jim Beam, and you click new ticket. There you go. We sent the request back to the server, ran the business rules, initialized the entity, and went straight to the detail page. So anyway, I'm going to upload this project, and you can take a look at it, and if there's some techniques in there you can use, that's great. So until next time, I'm signing out.